Fuck, man. Fuck, bro. Motherfuckers over tightening my lug nuts, man. Fuck. Come on, JT. Oh, you don't think these are over tightened? Let me show you. It's the last bolt. It's supposed to be 80 foot-pounds. These lug nuts, 100 foot-pounds. Look at this. Look, 100 foot-pounds. That's 120. Let's try 140. Let's try 140. Look, 140. Right? Shit, let's even go to 160. 160. Fucking over tightened, bro. Boys fucking tighten my shit all the way up to fucking 180, bro. If I didn't do this today, I would have never got these lug nuts off. Look at this. These are supposed to be 80 foot-pounds, bro. Not even. Maybe 100 pounds. Tighten these up to 80 foot-pounds. I told the guy, I said, hey man, tighten them to 80 foot-pounds. This man used his fucking air gun. Tighten them all up. Look at this shit. Easy. 80 foot-pounds, bro. Not 160. Not fucking 180. 80 foot-pounds, bro. That's all you need.